walking at the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Hola. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
¿Ah?
Mi hermano. Mi hermano.
¿Tú conoces a él?
Johnny Martin.
¿Ah?
Johnny Martin.
Johnny Martin.
Hey, you speaking a lot. Shut up.
¿Todo bien?
He say, speak English. I speak a fucking funny English. Hey! Quiero un tigre ahí. No. No me encuentro, mami. No me encuentro.
Bye. Bye-bye. This is the north coast of the Dominican Republic, and I'm located... Pardon me? No, gracias. Yo voy para colmado aquí. I just want to say, come here to the north coast of the Dominican Republic, change your life, and enjoy life. Live your best life. That's what I'm trying to say. Why wouldn't you? Now, I'm on my way. Hola. I'm on my way to meet my friends who are going to meet me at the bar right now, or the store, the colmado, and we're going to enjoy it. Hey! See ya! See, Roy! See, it's tu amigo. It's your friend's apartment? Bien, gracias a Dios. Roy, is that your friend's apartment? That's your friend's apartment? Who? Oh, good. Oh, it's you guys. This is where you live? Hey, I didn't know you live here. I live right down there. Oh, nice. You like it? Nice. Oh, gee, everyone lives here. Is there any apartments empty here? No? Let me know when there's one empty for my clients. All right. You guys take care. All right. Bye-bye. All right. Los Charamicos.
También a tú lo puedes llevar a la casa y te lo tomas allá.
Ah, no.
Sí, allá tú lo cortas con un cuchillo de mesa ahí.
Sí, pero es...
Ok.
Gracias.
No, espérate.
Gracias.
A veces la masa. Alguna de ellas, porque no va a caer todo.
Sí. Una babita. Esta babita está de cuando tú llegas de España. Te llega babeando.
Eso cuando yo...
O cuando yo me voy.
Ok.
Cuando yo babeaba.
Cuando yo me voy, es que yo me voy así, con el deseo de viajar. No cuando vengo.
Pero cuando tú llegas.
Nada.
¿Tú quieres hacer?
Eso era cuando yo babeaba.
Ok. Ah. Gracias.
Wow, sorry. Yo lo he hecho
Yo
mucho.
que yo babeaba.
¿Es A?
Yo babeaba.
¿Tú?
Sí,
¿Siempre?
sí. Claro, yo siempre.
Es okay.
Oye, de mucha baba yo.
Estoy para él. Oh, it's okay.
Oye,
Ya, ahí le puedo poner la tapa.
Teresa, yo
Sí.
siempre mucha baba.
¿Siempre?
Claro,
Ah.
eso es fuerte.
Gracias, amor.
Si lo veo, de que lo veo, baba.
Gracias,
Gracias, mi amor.
De nada.
Nada más verlo.
And this is the river in Bella Vista. I love it here. I used to live in the countryside here. It's not really the countryside, it's more of the outskirts. I did a video on it before, and I'll definitely link it down below. Here's some guys in the river just having fun. We like to go there and have a few drinks and swim in the river. The river is fresh water, and there's a little waterfall. I do tours there, so if you're interested in coming there and just rocking it with the locals, let me know. We can do a little bit of face clay and just relax for the day. I love it here because it gives you a chance to really see the culture and be immersed in it. That's what I'm here for. And if that's what you're looking for, let me know. So here are some main streets as well. And this is the main street in Sosua itself. One of the main streets. This is Route 5, and it will go all the way from Cabarete and farther, all the way to Puerto Plata and farther. So it's a great place to be. Now here's just a little tour that I'm doing of the streets right here. Now if you come to Sosua, you will be walking along this street for sure. It's one of the main streets. Right now I'm headed over to Pedro Clisante. Pedro Clisante is the main street. And here is another clip. Now, this is amazing. This guy, he sells fish. He gets it fresh from the pier. I'm going to be uploading a video after this one, and you got to check it out. I'm going to be showing you the pier, and down on the pier is a place that you can get your fresh fish daily. It is amazing. You can cook it right on the beach as well. Grab yourself a couple of beers or some rum, bring some friends down, and you got it. This guy is one of the guys that go down to the beach, and he gets them fresh every day. Now that is snapper. Look how big that snapper is. And that line of fish is not light. It is heavy, and he's holding it up for me for a while there. It is a good day when you can go down to the beach and have a wonderful meal. Now, if you guys see this guy in the street, not him, he's expat, but his name's Jay. You can say hi to him when you see him in the streets. But what he has right here is corn. And this gentleman right here makes the corn daily. And he sells it in the streets. And you will hear him. And he sells it right in the buckets like that, nice and clean. And you will hear him say, maíz, maíz. And that simply means corn in Spanish. You can buy it from him fresh every day. And he's a great guy. There's his buddy saying, it's wonderful. So I just wanted to say to you that you can get them for 50 pesos each.
There we go. Okay. There we go. Hey, oh, gracias. Este es para mí. This is for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have
those who take care of you.
Right. Thank you. Gracias, amor. Okay, bye-bye. All right.
Que Dios te me cuide, te lo protege.
Right. Dios te bendiga. Here we are right now on the north coast of the Dominican Republic. We have JD in La Casa.
So that was pretty much El Batey, where a lot of the expats are. Right now, we're back in Los Charamicos, where we started the video. And this is my good friend Elsa dancing with her grandson. A lot of the times we like to go to colmados, located right in the natural neighborhood of the Dominicans, where they live and party and work. And it's an amazing vibe to be able to be around everyone and just enjoy life. Look at I gotta tell you, I really love the family vibe that goes on in the neighborhoods and also in all around, especially here. This is Playa Sosua right here, a beautiful view of the beach. Listen, if you are interested in coming, let me know because I can help you out. I help people find apartments and also get around town, whether you need to rent a car or get a driver or go on the moto or rent a moto. You will love viewing the wonderful sights that Sosua has to offer. I love helping people find their way around town because it is important when you come here to feel independent. I want you to get a nice tour and then afterwards feel comfortable. I'll introduce you to a lot of friends of mine, locals and expats. I have a few tours available where I'll take you all around Los Charamicos if you like. We can go down to the beach, enjoy the beach down there, private beach, or I can take you over to the expat area and you can enjoy karaoke and a night of entertainment. Give me a shout so I can help you out and show you exactly what Sosua has to offer each and every one of you because it has something to offer everyone. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.
Oh, let the love shine. Oh, let the love shine.